Welcome, in front of me is OPPO Reno 14 5G, and in this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint sensor doesn't recognize your fingerprint properly. So let's enroll a new fingerprint model on your phone. To do that, go to Settings, then select Security and Privacy and scroll down to Device Unlock section, open it, then go to Fingerprint and Face Unlock, select Fingerprint right here, then enter your password or draw a screen lock to confirm, and if you have any previous models enrolled on your phone, then tap the three-dot icon right here and select Delete in order to delete all of the previous fingerprint models. Then click Add a Fingerprint, and before you do add a new fingerprint, wipe the surface of your device's screen using a dry towel. You can use a fabric one or a paper towel, and once you're ready, check your screen protector. If you're using a cheap screen protection, that may affect the way the fingerprint scanner reads your fingerprint. So make sure that you either use the original OPPO screen protector, or at least not a cheap one or a thin one or a thick one. It's better if you use a thin screen protector, because they let your fingerprint scanner read your fingerprint better. So once you click Add, proceed by adding a new fingerprint. Try placing your different parts of your finger on the scanner in order to ensure yourself the best experience. And once you're done, click Done, and then go back to your settings, and just to make sure that everything works well, before we restart the phone to apply changes, scroll all the way down to System and Update section, open it, then go to Software Update, and then check if your phone has any updates to install. And if you do have any, then let your phone install all the updates, then restart, and then check how the fingerprint sensor works for you now. Alternatively, you can press the power button and the volume up key at the same time, then select Restart and wait until your phone is restarted, so that we are sure that the change is applied. Once your phone is restarted, unlock your screen using your password or lock screen pattern, and then lock your phone and try to unlock it using your fingerprint that you just added. Okay, I just accidentally unlocked it using my face. Okay, as you can see, it worked for me well for the first time, the second one, and the third one, and I think at this point the test can be completed. And that's basically how you add a fingerprint to your OPPO Reno 14 correctly. So thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.